Tires don't last forever. It isn't always easy to know when you need new tires. Choosing the right ones can be even trickier.
Luckily, there's a few easy ways to get both right. To see if you need new tires, all you need is a quarter. Turn Washington upside down and insert him into a groove. If you can see the top of his head, you know you need new tires. The amount of tread left on your tires could affect how quickly your vehicle stops, especially in the rain or snow. Here I have a 3D tread depth display that shows a healthy, worn, and a bald tire. Remember before if I showed you the trick with the quarter? If you turn it upside down and you can see the top of Washington's head, you know you need to replace new tires. For the most accurate results, visit your auto dealer for a professional tire tread inspection. As for getting the right tires, size is only a part of it. It is actually possible to get the wrong tires, even if they fit. To find your car's specific requirements, look inside the vehicle's driver's side door jamb. At RightTurn.com, you get the convenience of online shopping, but without the guesswork. RightTurn shows you the tires that meet or exceed safety and performance standards set by the automakers. Expert dealership installation is included, and we do deliver the tires to the dealership for free. So once you get new tires, maintaining them will help you get the most bang for your buck. Proper tire pressure is important for both vehicle safety and tread life. We recommend that you check this monthly, and you should keep your tires at the pressure shown on the vehicle's tire information label. Rotation and alignment will help your tires last longer. Stick to what's recommended in your vehicle's owner's manual. RightTurn.com has a great team of tire experts that you can call or chat with. Whether to find the right tires, care for your current ones, or something as random as, how do you turn an old tire into a squirrel house? Yes, this is a question one of our tire representatives has received before.
Visit Designing Spaces Facebook page to enter Right Turn's giveaway for a free set of tires. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.